Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help explain how to fix your Ford Fusion's backup camera. We will start with simple checks. First, ensure your camera lens is clean and free of debris. A dirty lens can completely obscure your view. Next, confirm your car is fully in reverse. Sometimes a partial engagement prevents activation. Finally, locate your fuse box and check the fuse designated for the backup camera. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix, often requiring just a few minutes to replace. Moving on, let's investigate the wiring. The camera system relies on a secure electrical connection. Carefully inspect the wiring harness that runs from the camera to the display for any signs of damage, such as cuts or pinches. Ensure all connectors are firmly seated. A loose connection can easily disrupt the signal. Also, check for any corrosion on the metal terminals, which can impede electrical flow. Cleaning these contacts might resolve the issue. Now, let's consider the camera unit itself and your display. You can use a multimeter to test if the camera unit is receiving power. If there is no power, the issue might be deeper. Also, navigate through your infotainment system settings to ensure the camera feature is enabled and not accidentally turned off. Sometimes, a simple software glitch can be resolved by performing a factory reset of the entire infotainment system, which can often restore functionality. If the previous steps haven't resolved the problem, it might be time for more advanced diagnostics. Refer to your Ford Fusion's owner's manual for specific troubleshooting guides or error codes. For persistent or complex issues, it is highly recommended to seek assistance from a certified Ford technician. They possess specialized tools and expertise to accurately diagnose intricate electrical problems or replace faulty components, ensuring your backup camera is fully operational again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.